Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiffany. Today I'm going to be giving my first impressions of the new Marc Jacobs tote bag that I've got. This is the lovely Jacquard style in the reverse pattern. So if you are interested, then keep on watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more from me, and let's dive right into this. So I first saw this on Instagram a few months ago. I'd always seen the other style, like the reverse one of this, where it's lighter, black on the edges, and I loved it, but I just felt like it was a bit too high maintenance for me. Because it's a lovely light colour, but I'm very, like, I put hand cream on, I'm grabbing this, my bag like rubs against places, so I did always hope they would do a style like this. So when I saw it on Instagram, I think it was just before Christmas, I was over the moon, and I knew I wanted it, but I just couldn't justify it because I had got the leather tote. However, there I was browsing on TK Maxx, and then I saw this, and it literally sold out like in minutes. So Marc Jacobs have been, or not Marc Jacobs, TK Maxx have had a lot of different styles of the tote bag on their website at random times, and it sells out literally in minutes. I saw somebody on TikTok say they do it, so I did sort of think, okay, every now and again I'll check, but I did not expect this. So they had the mini size and the small size. I did buy both, but as soon as I saw the small, I just knew it was not for me. I do have like the plain back small one. I feel like the plain small is enough for me. I didn't need, this is a bit too similar. But for the mini size, I have been needing like an everyday small black bag for some time. So yeah, I couldn't resist. I had to have it, and yeah, it was a lot cheaper in TK Maxx as well. So originally online everywhere this is £280, but at TK Maxx I got it for £200, so saved £80 there as well, which is great. And same with the small one, that's usually £300, and that was also £200 exactly on TK Maxx. It was great to have the bargain. But yes, I'm going to flip the camera, take out all the bits that's come inside of it, and yeah, let's have a look. So here is the bag. It does come in the plastic wrapping like all the other bags, except this one has like the TK Maxx label attached to it as well. So it's gold label and £199. It does say recommended retail price £255, but on every website it's like £280 at the moment. I think they did have a bit of a price increase just after Christmas. But let's dive in, take all this out. A lot more in here than I thought. Oh yes, and it has the thicker strap, which I'm interested to see as well. It's a silica gel. Okay, inside the bag, very simple. Oh, just realised it doesn't have a pocket. Very interesting. Because I have the leather mini one and it's got a pocket, I didn't realise it's only the leather ones. I knew that the regular canvas ones didn't have a pocket, but I did think that the Jacquard ones did have a pocket. Interesting. Okay, good to know. It has silver hardware, which I'm not a fan of silver, but I guess it makes sense with the design of the bag. Just gonna get this off. I think this is not magnetic as well. Yes, this is not magnetic on the canvas ones. Interesting. Okay, get this off. I'm trying to do it gently. There we go. It says the Marc Jacobs. Don't know if that's in focus. It says the Marc Jacobs on there. I don't think my other one says that. The leather one just has a leather pull tab. Yeah, I just had to quickly double check because I wasn't sure if I was losing my mind there. But yeah, the leather one just has like a pull tab, whereas this had the silver hardware with the Marc Jacobs on the tab there. And let's get this strap out. Oh, it feels a lot softer than I thought it would. Oh gosh. I try to avoid scissors around these kind of things. Okay, Marc Jacobs on there as well. Okay, we'll need scissors for this. What I love about the strap is the white trimming that it has on the edge as well, just like the bag. I think it is very chic, and I love that it's thicker as well, because the mini, like thin strap on the leather one is not comfortable at all. Alright, here's what she looks like with the straps. Yeah, the inside is very different than what I thought it would look like. So I wanted to show you guys some of the everyday things that fit in here and how I'll be using this bag. So I like to divide my things into containers and try to keep my bag as organised as possible, because tote bags are very easy to stuff and then end up being an endless abyss. So with this bag in particular, because it doesn't have a pocket or anything, it does make me want to have more containers and more places just to have things. But to start with, my portable charger. I don't have to use it for my phone anymore because the iPhone 13 Pro battery life is quite good, but my camera battery does die quite quickly and I'm trying to vlog more, so I do take this out with me now regularly. And then if this had a pocket, I would have put the cable in there, but since it doesn't, I'll just shove it underneath because I don't want it to get all tangled around in my bag. Put that flat down there. And then the next thing probably be a hairbrush. I keep the loose sort of things around, and then everything else in containers. When I say containers, I mean pouches like these. So this is part of my Kirigami set. Here are sort of miscellaneous things like mirror, hay fever tablets, paracetamol, Vaseline, just sort of things that I just don't want to be scattered around the bag but don't have a specific place. I'll just pop that in there. And then same as my mini pochette, I like to use this inside my bags because say I'm going to a toilet or something and I don't need to carry my whole bag with me. I like just taking this out and then keeping the things I would take with me to the toilet in here. So usually I'll have a lip gloss, a powder, some body mist and a lip gloss or something. This doesn't fit in here, but it will just go in the side. This is a makeup brush. So I'll just zip that up. And again, pop that at the side here, and again the makeup brush just to the side of the bag. I would then take this if I'm on my period. I usually keep, if I wasn't on my period, I would have the cable in here, and an SD card spare or something like that. But if I'm on and I'm out, I'll wear tampons and have some panty liners and a rubbish bag just in case there's nowhere to dispose of stuff. If it's properly I'm on, then this one as well usually has pads in as well in case I'm not in the mood for tampons. But yeah, this also I'd use either as a coin purse sometimes or as a card purse, but cards usually do go in my I can't even remember, it's a key pouch even, there we go. So I keep my handy cards in here, my house keys on here. Again, this I sort of put to the side so it's more handy. And then things I don't mind having out are AirPods and a packet of tissues. Things like tissues and wipes I like to have handy, so I don't usually put them in a container. So tissues, put them to the side there. And then handy wipes, because if I need them, my hand's usually grubby. I don't want to be fiddling with one of my little pouches. Same as hand sanitizer spray. I usually like to keep this to the top of the bag. Either that or have my Bath and Body Works one clipped on as a charm. And hand cream. Sometimes I put that in my mini pochette, but sometimes I leave it out depending what I'm doing, if I'm having to wash my hands a lot. EpiPen as well. I like to just keep out and handy so that I'm not fiddling, because if I do need that, last thing I want to be doing is fiddling with everything. So I pop that in there. And then last thing would be a plastic bag with my masks in. I'd like to store those. And then again, if this bag had a pouch, it would have gone in the back on the pouch there, but because it doesn't, I'll just have to put those in the bag and store them there. But as you see, my everyday sort of essentials do fit in here quite nicely. There's a bit of wiggle room if you want to throw anything else in. Sometimes I like it to take a little folded shopping bag and stuff, but yeah, overall it does fit everything, but it does get quite heavy, which is why I like that the strap is long or thicker on this one, I should say. With the other leather one, the thin strap is quite painful. But yeah, I really like how this looks, and this is a perfect everyday bag for me. I'm the kind of person that carries quite a few things, but it does fit my everyday sort of things. If I was working or in uni or anything still, then I would need a bigger bag, but as an everyday like going out sort of bag, this works for me. I did get the next size up, small in the plain black, as I said, because when I'm taking out my laptop and my iPad and things, that is better. Like this one does not fit an iPad very well. If the bag is empty, you can fit the iPad in there, and it is a stretch. It does like push the bag to the limits like this. In fact, I'll quickly tip everything out so I can show you how the iPad fits in there. So as you can see, it does fit, but it's like very much a tight squeeze. You can't fit loads else in there. So if I am taking my laptop or iPad with me, I do just use the next size up. But yeah, if I wanted to, and I still wanted to use a smaller size, it is possible. I just probably couldn't fit in the rest of my like everyday essentials in there. But yeah, overall I do really love this bag. The Jacquard material, or Jacquard even, does like collect a bit of dust and things, as you can see. Not as bad as the regular canvas. The regular canvas one I literally have to carry a lint roller, but this one you can sort of see like a few cat hairs on there as well, so it does attract stuff, but not as bad as the regular canvas tote. I need to cut this off. The Marc Jacobs tab on here. Yeah, overall I do really love this. It does feel quite durable. The leather one is quite flimsy, but I think the Jacquard material does make this feel more durable, and like just like I couldn't imagine like scratching it or anything like that. The only thing I'm curious about is the colour transfer, if it does run or lighten or anything, but again, that I'll only be able to tell over time, so we'll have to see. And let's clip on these straps. Oh, it's quite... I like this sort of adjustable kind of strap compared to the leather one that has like sort of tabs. This one is quite practical, just like a normal belt or like sort of seat belt adjuster. I think it does give you a larger variety of lengths with this kind of adjustment. Yeah, this does seem pretty secure to me. I just love thick strap. Yeah, I don't know what this design, I think just doesn't make much sense to me. Once you clip this on here, you don't really have much space to put this tab. Oh, sorry, you might be able to see my cat in the background there. So I think this just works better just tucked inside the bag rather than being put on this tab. Although I do like hanging like hand sanitizers on this tab. I love having hand sanitizer easily accessible. But yeah, here she is. It's all these pieces that I took off the bag that he's very interested in. But yes, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if there's anything else you want to see with this bag. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please subscribe so you can see more from me, and check out my Instagram. I will be doing another video on this bag in a few months' time with the wear and tear and things, and how I've like managed to keep it clean and stuff, hopefully, and see if any transfer happens or any colour changes or anything. So I will be giving a bit more of a wear and tear review in a few months. So if you're interested in that, then please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.